Usha Vance taught J.D. Vance, second in command to Trump, which cutlery to use for which part of a formal meal. The first Indian origin Second Lady of US, Usha Vance, has had a role in shaping J.D. Vance's political career. Having ancestral roots lie in Vadluru, a village in Andhra Pradesh, Usha was born to a mechanical engineer father and a molecular biologist mother who moved to the US in the 1980s. The story of J.D. and Usha began in the halls of Yale Law School. In his 2016 memoir, Hillbilly Elegy, Vance wrote how he fell hard for Usha, describing her as a genetic anomaly because she possessed so many ideal qualities. Vance recalled how he violated every rule of modern dating by telling her he was in love after one date. As a hardworking child of immigrants, Usha moved between Cambridge, Yale, and the Supreme Court. For many, she embodies the American dream, proof that hard work and determination can open doors to the highest levels of success.
That JD and I could meet at all, let alone fall in love and marry, is a testament to this great country.
Even J.D. Vance at 40 is in awe of his wife's achievements and once said her accomplishments leave him feeling humbled. In his book, he said that his wife taught him which cutlery to use for which part of a formal meal. As a meat and potatoes guy, Vance had to adjust not only to her vegetarian lifestyle but also to the social and cultural differences. Marrying Usha meant learning to cook Indian dishes for her family. While J.D. Vance was a self-described atheist, Usha, raised in a Hindu family, inspired him to revisit spiritual questions. After one rough interview, Vance stormed out of a hotel room in frustration. Instead of reacting, Usha reminded him it's never acceptable to run away. Since her husband became Trump's running mate, the mother of three has adopted a behind-the-scenes role, in part because of her desire to shield their young children aged 7, 4 and 3. Even so, she stepped forward a few times, like introducing him at the party conference, a working-class guy who overcame childhood trauma I could barely fathom. And according to Vance himself, Usha played a huge role in helping him process that trauma, especially his struggles with anger. In fact, when comments by J.D. Vance, in which he called some Democratic politicians childless cat ladies, resurfaced on social media, it was Usha who stepped in for damage control. She brushed it off as a quip, explaining that he was simply highlighting the struggles of working families in America. Through it all, Usha has been more than just a partner. She's been his spirit guide.